Welcome to Prime Time. In this video tutorial, we're going to be covering how to download and install the Mobile Employee app. You'll need to go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and then you're going to search for PrimeNet Employee. We can see here the PrimeNet Employee app. We'll click, and we want to install. It's downloaded, and we're now able to open the app. We'll click Open. You can scroll through the privacy policy and agree at the bottom. You'll need to allow the app to access the device's location. And from here, we're going to add the server URL, our company code, our ID, and our PIN. For the URL, we're going to enter https:// Those are the ones under the question mark. You may have a different location for it on your keyboard. PrimeNet9.primenettime.com. You'll be provided a company code for which to use. You'll enter that in. You'll be given a card ID number and a PIN number, which may or may not be the same depending on how that's put in. But you'll need this information in order to successfully log into the app. We click Log In. Allow PrimeNet employee to take pictures and record video. We're going to click Allow. If the company you're with doesn't need the app to take pictures when clocking in or out, then it would be okay to deny this. Otherwise, it would have to be uninstalled and reinstalled in order to follow the company guidelines. I'm going to click Allow. Access photos and medias and files on your device. Really what this is for is so that when it does take a picture when you clock in or clock out, it can access that picture and then bring it to the software. The application is not going to be bringing any other files or anything like that from your device. It's only to grab the picture that it is captured when you clocked in or out, if that's set up in the policy. So I'm going to go ahead and click Allow. And I'm presented with my clock in, clock out screen. The options I have available to me in this are being able to clock in, clock out. I can start lunch or I can end lunch. You may or may not have additional options set up in here. Dashboard is going to bring us right back to this. This is our dashboard. I just click in to clock in. I can go to the timesheet and I can see the time that I have for the pay period, my total hours. I can click the back arrow to go to the previous pay period. Or the right arrow to go back to the current pay period, or any types of pay periods for which I'm browsing through. If your app supports the PTO requests from the company policy, you'll be able to see any requests, whether they're approved or pending. You'll be able to see what's in your PTO banks. Clicking the plus up here will allow you to add a request. Choosing your bank. And you can add a note. And select Generate Request. This is going to allow you to view this before you confirm it. Take note of the date, how many hours you want deducted, the bank you're using, and the start time if necessary. If we needed a start time, we would uncheck all day, and we could select what time we wanted to start. And then the number of hours we needed. We can generate that request. And confirm. Once confirmed, your supervisor will be able to go in and approve or deny the request. This concludes the tutorial on the PrimeTime Employee app. Thank you for watching.